Palantir announced a major expansion of its partnership with South Korea's Hyundai Heavy Industries Group by bringing Palantir Foundry to additional companies within the conglomerate. Korea's shipbuilding and offshore engineering will utilize the Palantir Foundry operating system across its shipbuilding subsidiaries to advance their future of shipyard vision. Before we dive further into this contract extension, a quick mention of a video we just posted featuring Arnie and his commentary on Palantir's network effects. This contract extension is a prime example as to what Arnie was talking about. Palantir penetrates into a leading client within an industry, and then their technology filters down into subsidiaries, supplies, and partners. Before you know it, whole industries will be operating with Palantir as their backbone. Teams across the shipbuilding subsidiaries will use Foundry to help them make better, data-driven decisions, focused especially on safety and operational efficiency. During the successful pilot phase, shipbuilding teams used Foundry to improve architectural design of ships, ensure quality of production lines, and bring the power of big data analysis to standard safety procedures. This expansion, valued at $20 million over 5 years, deepens Palantir's partnership with Hyundai Heavy Industries Group and helps with the digital transformation of South Korea's storied shipbuilders. As announced in January, Foundry is already in use across Hyundai Olibank for crude oil selection, daily refinery operations, and more. Hyundai Doosan Infracore, another HHI Group subsidiary, has been using Foundry since 2019 for process management, parts management, supply chain optimization, and more. These contracts are valued at over $25 million, bringing the total of our contracts to over $45 million over 5 years. Taejin Lee, CDO of HHI Group, said, "We will change the way we work by working with Palantir Technologies. We aim to enhance the competitiveness of our group by setting up an environment where we can make data-based decisions." This announcement marks a significant step toward the formation of a joint venture. In January 2022, at an executive gathering at CES in Las Vegas, the two companies signed an agreement to establish a big data platform for use across the group and in Hyundai Heavy's core markets in both the public and private sectors. Alexander C. Karp, co-founder and chief executive officer of Palantir, said, "Hyundai Heavy is an industrial leader working at the leading edge of some of the most complex engineering challenges that we collectively face. We could not be more enthusiastic about expanding our partnership and are actively working to extend access to our software across Hyundai Heavy's operations, as well as the country's commercial and government sectors."